현아 뭐 샀어?
엄마 엄마 왜
왜?
내가 생일이야만. Please.
예헤. 아빠 따라 아빠. 현아 프렌치 프레스 안 먹을 거야?
In our mind, there's a lot of things we want.
꽃이 있어.
But in our heart, deep inside, we only want to say, thank you God for everything. Because He already gave us what we need more than what we want.
Present from Hennah. What's this na?
Lipstick.
Lipstick. Thank you na.
Manicure.
So cute.
Manicure. Manicure.
And manicure.
Hinaka.
Nail polish. Sparkle.
Hinaka lipstick.
So nice.
Hinaka
Thank you na.
lipstick.
와. Wish first.
It's my 31st birthday. All I can say is thank you God for everything.
Thank you.
First day of April, Hennah and I will going to throw waste. And I will show you how and where we throw waste here in Korea, specifically when living in apartment. First, you have to segregate your waste, the biodegradable and non-biodegradable.
Hennah, push. Push. There's market inside our building na. Let's check later na. There, let's throw our waste first. Okay? Oh no!
This is where we throw all our waste, guys. Everything is well arranged, boxes and papers. This blue plastic cellophane is mixed waste. You can put any waste that is noted on the cellophane. This is more convenient, but you have to buy it. This machine is for waste food.
Wanna help Mama?
This area is for plastic cellophane, plastic bottles, glass bottles, broken glasses, can, styrofoam. Every area are labeled so it's easy to know where to throw it.
Let's go. Let's go to let's go to market. Go go. So fun. Throwing waste. It's done. Hennah, let's go home first. I forgot my wallet money. Mama get the money, okay? And cell phone, Maja. Soon. The best.
Going to mini market. We're so excited.
Wow! Hennah, look!
It's first time to have in our area. And I believe it's just once a week. Shoes. Accessories for girls. Snacks. More accessories. Flowers for sale.
안녕하세요.
Korean side dish. Looks so yummy. Jokbal. Pata. Fried chicken. Nail polish for kids. Hennah wished to have it for such a long time. Let's get it for Hennah. Books, snacks and beans, fruits, vegetables,
In the bag. Yes. Yes. What you got, Hennah? Yay! Yay!
I like it, Mama.
You like it? You're welcome. Look, Hennah. Look at my plants. Don't touch it. And we got chicken.